Okay, good. Okay, count of three. 1, 2, 3. Scan. Okay. Don't worry, I gotta take it on the other side. Alright, here we go. Okay. Alright, Eden, are you ready? Okay, you can. It's your turn, okay? Alright, don't move, don't move. Okay, don't worry, Eden, okay? Okay, relax, Eden, relax. I gotta put it in your mouth, and then in count of 3, you need to swallow it, okay? Swallow it. Alright. Do you feel it? Do you feel it setting your tummy, right? Okay. Don't worry, Eden, I gotta take it out, okay? Okay, turn around, turn around. Okay, and bend your body like this. Okay, I gotta take it out here, okay? Relax, Eden. I gotta take it out, okay? Ready? Okay. Thank you so much, Eden and Jermaine. Thank you guys, thank you. Palakpakan po natin mga kaibigan. Wow. Alright. Do you want more?
More magic.
More? Okay, you need to put the $5 here one by one. Alright. Tumatanggap po kami ng tip ha. Baka gusto nyo pong magbigay. Okay? Ilagay nyo lang po dito. Huwag na po kayo maya. Kahit barya-barya lang po. Okay. This time, I want to show you guys the one of my winning magic in Talentadong Pinoy way back 2009 in the Philippines. Okay? Here's the magical Japanese paper. Okay? This time, I need the one guy for this magic. Can you help me? Who's volunteer? Sir, can I invite you, sir? All Filipino guy, if you want. Any Filipino? Okay.